we are excited to share a new workflow for the higher education market that includes Panopto, Matrox, and BirdDog. Let's take a look. Panopto is the leading CMS video platform for the education market. Panopto has a vast range of features that allows video content to be organized, indexed, and viewable by students in the moment, as well as after it's filmed. By using a remote recorder like the Matrox Mavex 6020, lectures can be easily captured and streamed to Panopto via HDMI inputs. Audio can be included in the stream by way of two 3.5mm audio inputs on the unit. Outputs from the Mavex 6020 can allow slides and screen desktops to be displayed in-room as well as on Panopto. Panopto can accept multiple sources of video at once, and each video source can be switched to by the viewer. The teacher's slide deck and main camera are all viewable separately, so students can focus on whichever they'd like to. All live stream videos are automatically viewable as video on demand after the fact, and can be broken up by chapters and captioned for a complete indexed video solution. Quizzes can be included directly in Panopto, creating more interactivity and engagement for students. Panopto can be integrated into existing LMS systems and can be scheduled fully, so teachers can focus on their lesson instead of learning new technology. BirdDog are experts in NDI-enabled cameras and devices, and they have a wide range of products that can easily make all types of productions more streamlined and high quality. In the case of lecture capture, the BirdDog P200 PTZ camera is a great solution to feed into the Matrox Mavex 6020 that we've included in our workflow. With a 30x optical zoom, 1080p Sony sensor, and NDI capabilities, it is the premier PTZ camera solution for this workflow. Teachers can access their camera via a BirdDog web UI and can move their camera remotely through this interface. Exposure, focus, zoom, and color correction are all easily tweaked in this interface. The BirdDog P200, Matrox Mavex 6020, and Panopto can all be remotely managed by IT, which makes configuration of individual classrooms and troubleshooting a breeze. If you would like more information on how to include these and other exciting products in your next workflow, please contact your Exertis Broadcast representative. We're ready to help.